Roofers always ask me, which offer brings the most leads for the lowest cost? Today I'll show you the top roofing offers that work in 2025 and help you get more booked jobs. I'm Dinesh Paul from Adbonzo, and I help residential roofers get consistent leads and appointments with simple digital marketing. Let's jump into the offers. Offer 1, free roof inspection. Simple, proven, and works everywhere. Text on screen, free roof inspection, 24-hour response. Offer 2, storm damage checkup. Perfect during and after storm season. Text on screen, free storm damage checkup. Offer 3, roof replacement estimate. Great for serious homeowners ready to replace their roof. Text, free replacement estimate. Offer 4, $0 down financing. Very powerful where allowed. Text, new roof with $0 down, fast approval. Offer 5, senior discount. Ideal in neighborhoods with many homeowners over 55. Text, special senior roofing discount. Keep your offers clear, short, and easy to understand. If you want help creating high-converting offers and running ads that bring in quality roofing leads, reach out anytime. I'm here to help you get more booked jobs.